Hey guys, I'm Candylover89, and today, as you can see, we're gonna be turning into a mythical mermaid and make it just wow with some SHEIN products. And these SHEIN products are actually from my collection, so make sure you grab yours because this collection means the world to me. Everything is sparkly and cute and just very, very Candylover89. Just look at this brush. It's like the little magical wand. It's boop on this makeup. So let's go. So the first thing that I did is I added a little bit of concealer and I set my eyelids because I want the eyelids to just be really sparkly, really pretty, and we have a few options here. And I'm like, which one do I want to use? But this one's kind of like matching the outfit. So look, oh my goodness, that is stunning. It flew, it shows violence. Super easy to apply to. And it already has the glue in it, so it's so easy to just put on. One thing I really like doing too is mixing my glitters so that it just shines with different colors. So I'm gonna be using this one, and it comes in so many different colors. This is one of those add to cart in every color. Super affordable and part of the collection. I already applied it on this eye. We're gonna do it on this one. And I'm just mixing those shimmers to give it different colors. Every time the light hits, I want it to just show differently. I fell in love with these lashes. I love how wispy they are on the end. It's just gonna give that eye that lift. 7 pairs of eyelashes, stunning, 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 stunning. And you can reuse them too. I always say, use them till you lose them. I'm gonna use this mirror right here. Also part of the collection, and look at how gorgeous it is. It's stunning. I'm gonna go ahead and just pop on that lash. When I put my lashes on, I like to just fluff them up on the end. Boom, mira esto. Even though they are dramatic lashes, they still kind of have a soft feel to them in comparison to our last look that were huge, dramatic. They even had silver and glitter on the lash. So I added some color to the prosthetics, and look at how beautiful it looks, iridescent, shimmery. It looks so good. It matches the hair, it matches the outfit. But now, the face. We needed to just give it that extra oomph. So now for a little fun part, we're gonna start applying these, and these are so easy to apply. Like I said, these makeups you can totally recreate at home, make your own versions of it, but I have to add the bling bling, and this is easy to apply bling bling. So it comes like this, little sheet, and you choose where you wanna kind of place it. So I'm actually going to cut these pieces and only use the middle because I really want that middle piece. And you can always reuse these, put them on the eyes, put them anywhere else. You just peel it right off. And it's a full piece, already has glue and everything. I'm just gonna cut. And again, you can always use these somewhere else. Here, we'll put them right here just to have fun with it. That was fast. And I'm gonna put this middle piece. Do you see how easy that was? And look at how that elevated the whole look. Now I'm gonna apply these right under here. Add to cart. I'm gonna add a couple of pearls just to give it that mermaid seashell kind of vibe. And I just use eyelash glue to glue on crystals and stuff like that. And it makes it so easy. It's just place a little dot wherever you want your pearls. I'll put maybe a couple here. Little dot, little dot. And I'm just using a wax pen and just put it right on top. And see how it's already giving it different elements to the makeup. You have crystals, you have pearls, you have your glitter. Another way to elevate your look, look at this glitter. Does it need more glitter? No, but are we adding more? Yes. And I already know which color I want. I want this one here. I'm just literally gonna grab my finger and I'm gonna tap it on, right onto the cheek. It's gonna blend in with those crystals and it's just gonna give it that extra sparkle, and you can guide where you put that glitter. So every time you move your head, it's just sparkling. Sparkling, sparkling, sparkling. I'm gonna use this lip liner from my SHEIN collection. It's such a pretty kind of a nude shade, a pinkish nude. So I always start on the bottom, line the top, and then I kind of give it an ombre effect and just bring it up on the edges like this. And I feel like it gives it more of a plump kind of look. And I overline just a little bit. I don't go too crazy, but just a little bit higher than my actual lip. And now I'm gonna go in with this liquid lippy. The shade is gorgeous, the pigment is gorgeous, and it feels so soft on the lips. Se siente súper suavecito. And just so you guys know, in these packs, the liners and the liquid lipsticks come in different shades, so you can like mix and match the shades. But look at how perfect this lip combo is. Like, it looks so pretty. For like an everyday look, it's gorgeous. I wanna put this over any lip product that I have. So I'm gonna add it to the lips. Yup, it's going on the lips. And you can apply it on like over any color. So I've applied it over black and it looks so good. And now we're applying over this beautiful nude. Oh my God, it's like the perfect nude glittery lip. Why don't my lips look like this every day? Oh, it looks beautiful. So I just went ahead and added a little mascara to the eyes to kind of finish the look. But for the body, mommy, this is a face and body party glitter. Girl, this for like festivals. Oh my God, just, oh, it's like lotion, but with glitter. Oh my God. If a creature just came out of the ocean and looked like this, I'd be like, we're gonna be friends. If you love glitter as much as I do, you have to check out my collection with SHEIN. This body glitter is a part of it. Pretty much everything that's sparkling on my face right now is a part of the collection. It's so me, and I'm so excited. So this is the final look. Didn't I say I was gonna give you different variations of some spooky but cutesy looks? Follow, share, comment, and tag us. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Have a spooktacular Halloween.